All right, guys, we are taking a look at. I just bought these. These are the CONFAST quarter inch, 20 by 2 1/4 male hurricane anchor kit. This is a set of 25. And what I'm going to do is just unbox it and take a look at it. Now, the reason, obviously, I was wondering, when I buy stuff on Amazon, I always buy it based on what is selling aggressively right now because it gives me a good idea on what is good. Because when other people buy it, it means it works. So this thing is selling like crazy, and I wanted to understand it. I can easily see why after buying these. First thing I want to say is the reason you're checking these out is because things are getting crazy in the world. So here's what we have. We have this screw itself, and you can see it's got the threading here on this side, and then the other threading here on this side. We have this tool as well, very sturdy. We have this as well for screwing it on. And then we have this, which you can apply to the end of it. So it's a little bit more rubberized and less dangerous. So what we have is we have 25 of those. Those are the pieces times 25, and you're good to go. So people are getting these. Let's be honest. The storms are increasing. Things are getting crazier. Spiritually, we've never been at a crazier time since I've been alive in this country, and things are not going to be better. Things are not going to be getting better. A lot of people want to think like with a certain election, if things go a certain way, things are going to get better. Want to tell you, it's not that God is mad. It's just that we are at a place in time where humanity is so lost. Things just have to get worse for a period of time. You need to have this stuff because you got to be prepared. If you live in areas with hurricanes, they are going to come. You need to be prepared.